Hi, I thought I would do another video as a follow-up from my original video freshman year. So, I am now a junior at Duquesne and I am currently living in Brottier Hall. So, Brottier is affiliated with campus, but it's not necessarily campus owned, but it is right on campus and it's still really nice. Brottier is apartment style and it is for upperclassmen only, so juniors and seniors. It's quite difficult to get a spot in Brottier right now, but if you live with upperclassmen or you're a junior living with a senior, it's a little bit easier. It's also just based on luck in the lottery. So today I'll show you some more about my room and just kind of give you guys a life update. So without further ado, here is the room tour. Enjoy. So welcome to my apartment. This is our little entryway, and then this is our living room. So we've just got a tapestry, some cute lights. This is our couch. This does come with the university. The university does provide the couch as well as the coffee table and the side tables. This is our beautiful view. We are on the 16th floor, so we get a nice view of campus. Some more decor. You also get a dining room table, which is nice. Here's our very tiny kitchen. Excuse the messy dishes. You do get the fridge and the microwave and the oven, all provided by the university. And then there's our cabinet space. This is our closet. It is, again, very messy because we use it as a closet and a pantry. This door will lead us to our bathroom. And then, hello, the sink. And then last but not least, the bedroom. I am only gonna show my side just because I didn't tell my roommate I was filming. So then this is my desk. Similar setup to freshman year. Again, a beautiful window and a view. Got my calendar. And then my bed, my walls. Similarly to freshman year, you do get the under the bed storage that can be built up into dressers. And then I still use my bin system from freshman year. Some more decor on my side. We can fit an over the door mirror. So hello again. And then we have a nice sized closet that does span the entire wall. So this is my side. It does get quite messy quite fast, and we should have sheets on it, or not sheets, but curtains, but we don't, so that's okay. A little area rug, and yeah. So like I said earlier, I'm now a junior at Duquesne. I am still in the early childhood education program. That's pre-K through 4. I absolutely love it. I love my classes. I'm very grateful to still be here, even with COVID. Campus is definitely different with COVID, but it's still got my favorite things, so I can't complain too much. Campus is definitely not as lively, which is very sad. I love seeing all of my friends, but unfortunately a lot of them are home for the semester and they just chose to do so. When COVID happened, we had the option of coming back to campus and living in our pods and dealing with COVID-19 here at Duquesne, or we had the option of taking our classes fully online and staying at home. So I took the option of coming back to Duquesne, and I go to classes roughly once a week. And when I say that, I mean I go to like one class every week. I have classes that are Monday, Wednesday, Friday classes, and I only see my teacher on Wednesdays in person. I have Tuesday, Thursday classes where I only see my teacher every 3 weeks, sometimes every 4 weeks, sometimes every 2 weeks. So it's definitely interesting. It's a different college dynamic than before for sure, but you know, we're trying our best here at Duquesne and I'm still loving it. I love every minute of it. Being here for 2 years now, well, I guess this is my 3rd year. So being here for 3 years now has definitely given me a new perspective on Pittsburgh and the city. I've come to know it more than I ever knew before, and I've come to take it as my second home, which is really amazing. And it's a place that I kind of want to stay in the future and would love to live and spend time with and grow a family here, or at least, you know, bring my family back to every so often, because that's just how much I love it. So I'm almost 21, and once I turn 21, I'm excited to explore the South Side bars and get to see that part of the town as well, because obviously that is somewhat of an attraction to older upperclassmen that are 21. But for now, in just exploring the city and what it has to offer for me under 21 has been really amazing, and I've absolutely loved it. I think that it's been an interesting almost 2.5 years as a student here. It's definitely had its ups and downs, but I can't complain too much. It's always been something to fall back on, and I can always rely on my Duquesne friends and my Duquesne family to help me out and be there for me and support me. I've met some of my best friends through Duquesne. I've met my boyfriend through Duquesne, who I'm still with 2 years later. I've met so many wonderful, amazing people that I will forever be grateful for and hopefully forever be in touch with, that I think it just makes me so much more excited and also sad for my last year. I know I still have, you know, almost a year and a half left here, but just thinking about senior year, like, gets really sad. So yeah, but this video got somewhat deeper than I thought it was going to. I should stop talking. I'm just gonna stop talking. So keep reaching out to me on social media, incoming freshmen, students who are currently seniors in high school trying to decide, or my friends making fun of me watching this video. Hello. Still reach out to me, message me on Instagram, message me here, comment down below. I'm always going to be here for you guys, and I love getting to talk to either incoming freshmen or even people considering Duquesne. I'm more knowledgeable than you think because I have been here for 2.5 years, so I am 100% more than willing to answer any questions you may have. Keep the Instagram coming, like messages coming. I will be here. And yeah, so I hope to see you at Duquesne one day, and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye!